Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the short tutorial I will discuss about how to change country on App Store on your iPhone on iOS devices. So keep watching this video. So guys, first of all open App Store on your iPhone and here simply click on profile icon and click on here is Apple ID name. Now wait for a few seconds. Now guys, scroll down and here is country origin, click on it. Now all the country is available. Now select the country which you want to change. So I am from Pakistan. I have already selected Pakistan. Now I want to change to India. Now I here searching in India. So here is India, click on it and simply continue. Now scroll down and agree top right corner. Now here's the main title of this video. So guys, simply click on none. Now enter this information. You can enter this information randomly. So ABC. Now his city town is original. So by select the state is I'm selecting the state. Now enter your passcode. If you don't know your city postal code, you can search on Safari or Google. So Mumbai is 02. Now enter your phone number. You can enter your random phone number, don't worry. So after that click on done top right corner. Sorry, postal code is invalid. Now enter again postal code 412341. Is the real postal code of Mumbai. Now wait for some second again. Now guys, your country has been changed on your App Store. You can see country has been changed India. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.